Okay, today I'm going to show you how to edit your WordPress web page using CSS styling. Now the first thing I'm going to do is, you see this home? I'd like to change it so it looks like it has an orange button on it. Now I'm going up here to my dashboard, down to appearances, and I'm going to my CSS editor. Now you see I have style sheet, style CSS in here, and that tells me that I have the right page I need to edit. I went all the way to the bottom, and the element I'm using is H1, open borders, open brackets, and I want to put a border in here of 2 pixels, and it's going to be solid. And the color I'm going to use is a light brown color. And what I did was I used a hex editor to pick these colors. And I need some padding to make it look right. So we're going to have 10 pixels, 40 pixels. Need to fill in a background color to make it look good. And I'm going to use a little bit darker orange color, which is going to be F47530. And because I want the color to go clear across my paragraphs, I'm going to put a width of 900 pixels. Okay, and also I'm going to add a border radius. And it's going to be 25 pixels. Okay, now I've styled it the way I want to style it, and so I'm putting a closing bracket. Now, in order to make this show up on my web page, I need to update my file. And so I'll click the Update File button, and you see up here it says File Edited Successfully. And I will go back up here into my name and hit Visit Site. And there you have it, my rounded buttons, and it goes clear across here. Okay, I'm now going back to my dashboard. Well, let me go back here a minute and show you. Do you see how my paragraph is? It's kind of small compared to Home button. And so what I'm going to do is go back to my dashboard, go under Appearances, under Editor, back on my CSS sheet, go down all the way to the bottom, because I'm going to add another element on here. And so I'm going to style the paragraph this time. And so what I want to do is I'm going to change the font size first. And I think it would look good with 30 pixels. That should make it large enough to be seen properly. And I think I'm going to change the font family. And I want it to be Veranda. And it's kind of light on the page, so I think what I'm also going to do is change my font style to bold. And I think that's pretty good for that one. And I'm going to close it. I'm going to hit this Update File button again so we can see it. Go back up here to visit my site. And you see now you can see all my words on here. And as you can see, it's come clear across my pages. Okay. Now, go back up here in my dashboard. This background color here, you know, there's an awful lot of white on my page, and I think I want to put a lighter orange on it. And so what I'm going to do is go to my dashboard, my appearances, go back down to my editor, all the way back down to the bottom, and I'm going to add another element here, and it's going to be body. And what I want to do this one is change my background color. And what I think would look nice is maybe a peach color. Semicolon. Come back here and close it, the brackets. Update my file again. Visit my site. And yes, I think that looks a whole lot better. This has been Stephanie Johnson, and I was styling your web page. Have a good day.